This video tutorial I will explain what is site-to-site VPN and remote access VPN. Imagine you have multiple offices. Here you can see main office in USA and two branch offices are in India. In this case, a site-to-site VPN is like a secure channel that connects these offices networks over the internet, and the secure tunnel keep things private. Encrypted connection. This connection is encrypted, meaning that any data travels between the two sites is scrambled and protected from being intercepted or tampered with by unauthorized parties. It provides a secure way for business to establish private communication channels between their different locations, ensuring confidentiality and integrity of their data transmissions. Imagine you have two offices located in different cities or different countries. By setting up site-to-site VPN between them, the computers and devices in both offices can securely share data, files, and resources such as printers or servers, just as if they were all in the same building. A site-to-site VPN is helpful for companies with multiple locations that needs to share information securely without setting up expensive private lines. It is like having one big network even though offices are miles apart. Imagine you are working from home and need to access your company's internal network, including files, emails, and applications, just as if you were sitting in the office. A remote access VPN allows you to do that securely and remotely. A remote access VPN, often referred to a virtual private network, is like a secure channel between your device and your company network. The device can be a laptop or smartphone, and this secure tunnel is created over the internet. When you connect your company's VPN server from your device, you are essentially joining your device to the company's private network, regardless of where you are physically located. This means you can access all the resources and services available on the company's network, such as files stored on the servers, internal websites, or email systems. The key feature of remote access VPN is security. All data transmitted between your device and the company's network is encrypted, which means it is scrambled into secure code that can only be decoded by authorized parties. This encryption ensures that even if someone were to intercept your data while it travels over the internet, they would not be able to understand or use it. A remote access VPN allows you to securely connect to your company's network from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling you to work remotely as if you were physically present in the office. Here we will see the breakdown for remote access VPN. Remote access. You are connecting from faraway place like home, hotel, or coffee shop. VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. We can think of it as a secret tunnel built over the public internet. Secure connection. This tunnel encrypts everything you send and receive, like scrambling a message. So only authorized people can understand it. Now we will see how remote access VPN works. You use VPN app on your device. Device can be a laptop or phone. The VPN app connects to your company's VPN server. Once verified, the VPN app creates encrypted tunnel between your device and the company's network. Now you can access your company's files, applications, and resources as if you were physically in the office. Now we will see the benefits of using VPN. The first point is security. Encrypted connection keeps your work data safe even on public Wi-Fi network. The second point is flexibility. Work securely from anywhere with an internet connection. Third point is access. Get to all the company resource you need, no matter the location. You have to remember a remote access VPN is provided by your company. So you might need to talk to your IT department to set it up. Using VPN might slow down your internet connection slightly. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.